How to delete account of the Filmora editing app. If you are tired of using the Filmora app and want to delete the account on it, then don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here. Tap on it. Then you will see your profile name just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the account deletion option just right here. Now to delete your account, simply tap on it. And here you can find delete my account right here. And after deleting your account, note that all the benefits and product services with your Wondershare account will be removed. So delete the account carefully. To delete it now, simply tap on to delete my account. And by doing that, you can simply remove your account from the Filmora app. And that's it. This is how you can delete your account in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.